Hello YouTubers and do-it-yourselfers. I've got the final rendition here. As we saw on the last video, what was it here? Right here. This needed to be extended more. So here's our new version. It is extended more, so it should catch now. So, like I explained before, we needed to put a hole here so that we could get rid of the plastic piece that was kind of formed over on the second hole so that we could put a screw in there. Went to the local hardware store, and what I'm going to use is right here. It is a number 2 by 1/4 inch long brass screw. I think I also picked these up. You could if you wanted to. This is a number 4 by 1/4, and it does fit in the hole, but I wanted something smaller in case I needed the clearance. And I already did this one, but basically what I did was held the screw here, heated it up, melted it into there most of the way, trimmed the plastic that squished out, and then screwed it in the rest of the way once it cooled down a little bit. And that's how I got my hole to replace the existing spot. So we will go through the whole process on how to get your Goldwing latch mechanism all fixed up on the relative cheap, whether you buy these latches online or you print them yourself. So once you take this component out of your trunk, which is going to be held in by 2 screws here and in through the back underneath your latch, when you your lid, when you lift it up, you'll have 2 screws here, 2 screws here. And yes, I know I'm missing that. You can remove this piece, and then we'll have that we just took off on this side. So I'll show you what to do. You've got a screw here, and of course that piece of plastic that's just kind of melted over. So what I did was I trimmed this over. And of course, guys, from what I'm seeing, this component right here is 1988 till 2000. So these latches, clasps should work for all those model years. Okay, and now we'll take out the screw. Alrighty. So we got that. This was our old broken one from that side. This will go over here. Alrighty, here's our bar. Put that there. And that. Put this on our new piece. Alrighty, so now we gotta prep the hole for our screws, since we want to have the support. And when you trim that, you will see the existing circle, so you've got a nice center point to follow. And I'm just using a nice torch here. for a minute. Out. Trim off what's squished out. Brass cools fairly quickly. And looks like we may need more heat. Not enough on that one. Even the melted plastic, it'll form around the threads. So you don't have to screw it in if you don't want to finish screwing it in all the way. You can just melt it in completely. If you're able to. There we go. And that's how I got the hole in there for the screw. Alrighty, now we can put the latches in. We'll do one side at a time. Oop. Sorry guys, I forgot. I was so close there. So we've got it right here, and we just stick the bar in the end here, stick it in. That part of the spring goes in the slot or the groove. And it's really just that simple. And then we're going to put this back on. We're going to put our new screw in that we created. And the original, which is probably a number 4 from the looks of it. But I went with a number 2 because I figured it was the closest to the size of the piece of plastic that I cut off holding it down. And there we go. That is there. Okay, now we'll do the other side that I've already prepped from earlier today. So again, we'll put the matching or the opposite side on. Slide that on. There we go. Sorry if I block any of this and you can't see it. For some reason, we are too long. I mean, I know it's not the plastic. Might be the bar hitting, not sure. We are the same dimensions. What are we running into here for an issue? We got that. It's like we're a tad long. Why are we a tad long? Unless I don't think they go in that way. No, they do not. Oh, let's see here. Okay, let's take off the other one and see what's going on here. For some reason, we are too long. Unless, ooh, I did not catch that. Looks like the pocket goes down inside. Ooh, version 3 to come.